Hello viewers, today we have an exponential equation to evaluate, and we are given a complex exponential equation to evaluate. So stay with me to the end of the video. I'm going to walk you through this process one step at a time. So without taking much of our time, let us go over to the question right now. Alright, the first thing I want you to remember, viewers, I want you to recall one of the laws of indices that say if you have a to the power m plus n, you can easily split these powers of a to become a to the power m times a to the power n. Okay, you've split the powers of a. So that's what I'm going to do right here. So I have 25 to the power x squared plus 25 to the power x squared times 25 to the power minus 1. I've just split the powers of 25 right here. Then all over 5x squared minus x. Leave this guy like this, okay? Now you can see on the numerator, this guy and this guy is a common factor. So I'm going to factor it out. So I have 25 to the power x squared will be as a factor here. So if 25 divide this guy, I'll have 1. If 25 divide this guy, I'll go out with this one. So I have plus 25 to the power minus 1 all over 5x squared minus x. Okay, I hope it's clear from this point. So let me take off these guys from here. The next thing you want to do, you want to say 25x to the power x squared is 1 plus 25 to the power minus 1 can also be written as 1 plus 1 over 25. Because 25 to the power minus 1 can also be expressed as 1 over 25. All to the base 5x squared minus x. Okay, so at this point I want to simplify these guys right here. So I can write 21 as 25 over 25 because 25 over 25 is 1, okay? I just want them to have the same base, so I can easily add the numerators to that base. So I'll have 25x squared. Now 25 plus 1 will give me 26 to this same base, which is just 25. So you can go ahead and do the addition of fraction in your own way if you don't understand this one. So all over 5x squared minus x. Very good. So the next thing you want to do now is you want to rewrite 25 in the powers of 5. You know 25 is also the same as 5 to the power 2. So I'm going to write this guy as 5 to the power 2 as 25. But remember it has this guy as its power. So you always put it there, x squared. Then times 26 over 25 all upon 5x squared minus x. Oh, it's getting long, right? So the next thing you want to do is you can distribute 2 times x squared will give me 2x squared. So I have 2x squared then times 26 over 25. So this 26 over 25 times 26 over 25, this denominator will come over to this side, so I have just 26 as the numerator, and I have this guy is 5x squared minus x times 25 right here, okay? So this is how I split these guys out, so 26 here, and this is the denominator, okay? Right? So this is just like you're multiplying with a numerator and a denominator, so the numerator multiply the numerator, and the denominator multiply the denominator, so that's why I split it like this, okay? I hope it's clear. So the next thing you want to do, remember you can also write 25 as 5 to the power 2. So I'll take out this guy and put it as 5 to the power 2. Very good. Yeah. So the next thing you want to do from here, you apply the laws of indices that says if you have a to the power n times a to the power n, of course when they have the same base, you add their exponents. So you have a to the power n plus n. And of course when they are dividing also, a to the power n upon a to the power n, because they are dividing, it's going to be a to the power n minus n. So these are the basic laws of indices, which I'm going to apply right here. So I'll have 2x squared in the numerator times 26 all over. You can see they are both having the same base and they are multiplying. So I'll take one of the base and I'll add their exponent. So I have x squared minus x plus 2. Very good. So now the next thing you want to do is to apply this other guy, which is dividing. You can see this guy and this guy, they are both dividing. So you take one of the base and you subtract their power. So you take one of the base for these two guys, you subtract their power, 2x squared minus all of these guys right here. So minus x squared minus x plus 2. Okay, so you minus all this quantity. You have to put them in a bracket because of course you know what it is. So times this guy 26. All right, viewers, we are almost coming to the end of the solution. Now this minus will go into all these guys like this. So you have 5 2x squared minus here will give me minus x squared, minus minus will give me plus x, and this guy will give me minus 2 times 26. Now is there anything that can cancel out? Of course, yes. So let me quickly clean up these guys so that we can just finish it up from here. All right, let me take these guys to this place like this. So I have 5 2x squared. Okay, we are almost rounding up. 2x squared. Okay, yeah. So now we have 2x squared minus x squared. This is just like 2x squared minus 1x squared. It's going to give me 1x squared. So I have only 1x squared same as x squared. Okay, so 2x squared minus 1x squared is going to give me 1x squared, which is the same as x squared. Okay, yeah. Then plus x minus 2, then times 26. Yes, this is the final answer to the question. This is the least way we can evaluate that expression to. Okay, so that is where we can stop here. So if you have any question, please put it down in the comment section, and if you do understand what we do here, please consider subscribing and sharing this video to other learners. See you in the next tutorial. God bless you. Bye.